Thanks, Garfield. No tributes have continued to pour in following the passing of legendary Jamaican track and field coach and MVP Club co-founder Stephen Franno Francis OJ. Denise Waters reports.
Confirmation of Stephen Francis's death came Sunday morning from the MVP Track Club, which he co-founded in 1999. Francis, who turned 64 on July 3, was admitted to hospital in recent weeks for medical treatment. Francis, who stepped down as head coach in 2017, was technical director at the time of his death. Outside of being known as Jamaica's most successful coach as it relates to medal contributions at the Olympics and World Championships across the 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters, 400-meter hurdles, 100-meter hurdles, long jump, high jump, and shot put events, Francis was also a no-nonsense person who spoke his mind about how the sport was administered locally and internationally.
Mr. Mills and Mr. Francis and Mr. Wilson and Mr. Stewart, O'Keefe Stewart, and Mr. Walcott up at JC and whoever else, they do all the work. They do all the work. They fund the athletes, or they arrange funding. They produce the athletes who are capable of winning medals, and the coaches overseas. All the J3As has to do is stay out of the way.
President of the MVP Club, Bruce James, said Francis changed the trajectory of Jamaican athletics for the better. James added that Francis proved that Jamaican athletes, guided by Jamaican coaches, supported by Jamaican management and training in Jamaica, could become the very best in the world. This was Bridget Foster Hilton and current MVP head coach Paul Francis speaking about Stephen 2 years ago on Street Driven TV.
A lot of persons doubted us. A lot of persons didn't believe that you could stay in Jamaica and train and do well. And Franno was the brainchild behind just staying home.
He's extraordinarily intellectually facile, very bright, and not intended to be any disrespect to any other of my colleagues in the field of coaching. But I think a very large percentage of the reason for our success is that he's a very, very, very bright man.
The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association praised Francis's meticulous approach to coaching, noting his unwavering discipline and his exceptional ability to identify and develop raw talent. The association said his legacy extends beyond medals and world records, describing him as a mentor, father figure, and fierce advocate who inspired generations of young Jamaicans to dream without limits. President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Christopher Samuda, remembers Francis as a coach with a very sharp mind.
The Jamaica Olympic Association respects the man who stood his ground and has left indelible footprints in the national soil.
Sports Minister Olivier Grange described Francis as a remarkable son of Jamaica, saying his impact will be felt for generations.
He was a unique person who used his talents to bring glory to our country and to improve the lives of countless athletes who benefited from his guidance and tremendous expertise.
Francis guided the careers of some of Jamaica's most successful athletes, including Olympic champions Shelley and Fraser Price, Elaine Thompson-Hira, and Mylene Walker. He also guided world champions Sharika Jackson, Bridget Foster Hilton, Tajay Gale, and former 100-meter world record holder Asafa Powell, among other global medalists.
There is something called the Dunning-Kruger effect, which essentially means that a lot of people who know very little believe that they know a lot. And they don't know enough to know that they know nothing.
Denise Waters for TVJ Sports.